Around the world, engineers and architects, constructors and owner-operators are using Bentley's software solutions to design, build and operate the infrastructure that sustains our economy and our environment. Together, we are advancing infrastructure. In the City of London, Rogers, Stirk Harbour and Partners used an innovative approach to deliver the 50-storey Leadenhall building.
We were very constrained on site because the footprint of the building actually is the site. So there's no room for storing any components. They just have to be driven in right into London and lifted into place. We built the building many times digitally before we actually built it. We wanted to use technology, digital technology, to do it in the best possible way. For this we use Bentley software to simulate the assembly as much as we used it to design the building.
To deliver the new expansion of the world's largest refinery at Jamnagar, India, Reliance Industries made Bentley's ProjectWise their enterprise standard for engineering content management.
The ultimate goal, or the vision that we have, is to migrate comprehensively to the smart environment. The hybrid environment the Bentley products help us to work with helps us to go in that direction. And more important is, the Bentley management has worked with us in doing a proof of concepts to help us feel that comfort to work with Bentley. And that is what is driving us.
To design and analyze the underwater support structures for America's first offshore wind farm, Keystone Engineering turned to Bentley's SACS solution.
We're very proud of the association with Bentley SACS. It's allowed us to be a leader in the industry. We're proud to say that we've been involved in the design of every fixed foundation in U.S. waters to date, and we hope to continue to be a leader in this area. And we could have never gotten to this point without the Bentley SACS software and the willingness of the Bentley team to modify their software to meet our needs.
Crossrail, Europe's largest construction project, is a new 100-kilometre east-west rail line through central London.
Crossrail's vision is to really build a railway, but we talk about building two railways, a physical railway and a digital or virtual railway. So it's that digital virtual railway that's going to be managing and maintaining the physical railway. Bentley software has helped us deliver a successful Crossrail by the 3D modelling, particularly in the early stages of Crossrail, in the designs, to be able to share them. Being able to coordinate those has been pretty important to ensure that people can understand what it is we're trying to create. Together with Bentley, Crossrail have created the Information Academy. What we're doing at the Academy is enabling our supply chain, our designers, our contractors, all their personnel, to come in and understand what our world of information really is. It's about creating an environment for people to work together really much more efficiently and effectively than they've ever done before.
In South Australia, SA Water has introduced predictive and real-time operational analytics through Bentley's Amulet software, improving customer service while reducing operating costs.
I think the tools we've developed here are an example of the sorts of things that will be very common in the future in industry, especially industry with large asset bases where you've got complex things to operate. It allows you to take a variety of inputs and make the best possible decision. In our case, we've got some sophisticated optimizers we use that Amulet sits around, and it makes a big difference to the way we organize our network and how effectively we can operate.
A key link in China's South-North Water Transfer project that will deliver clean water to nearly 500 million people, the 9-kilometre-long Shahe Aqueduct represented unique engineering and construction challenges.
Bentley had a number of solutions that could cover every discipline involved, Another key factor was that Bentley offered us the project-wise collaborative platform, which is a good environment for collaboration.
We really appreciate Bentley for offering us such good software, as well as the great reputation it has brought to us.
As a designer, we need a good tool to communicate our design intent. And Bentley's software can help us achieve that goal. If we combine this software with our imagination, intelligence, and knowledge, we can make a better design product and better serve our society.
It is the front of house for our Emirates. So we wanted to do something spectacular, something iconic, something everybody will remember.
The amazing part about it is the engineering and the architecture. It will be one of the most recognised buildings on the planet. We chose Bentley. There are not many competitors who could do a project on this scale. So really you're looking for a software and an environment that is proven, and we know that it can flex over time. So as we develop, we can develop that system to meet our needs, and there's no question that Bentley provide that.
Bentley, advancing infrastructure.